Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off keyboard vibration on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, keyboard vibration consumes additional battery power as it requires the device vibration motor to operate. Turning off keyboard vibration can help conserve battery life and extend the time between charge. And also, keyboard vibration feedback may be distracting for some users and can disrupt their focus and concentration while typing. So, turning off keyboard vibration can help users maintain focus and productivity during tasks. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, navigate to the settings menu on your device. Once there, select the sounds and vibration option to access the audio settings. Scroll down within this menu until you locate the system vibration and tap on it to enter the corresponding controls. And within the system vibration settings, you can specifically disable the vibration feedback on the Samsung keyboard. By turning off this feature, you can effectively remove the vibration response when typing on the Samsung keyboard, providing a quieter and more customized typing experience tailored to your preferences. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn off keyboard vibration on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.